Hello everyone, welcome back to another weather forecast here by the Hurricane HQ, and today we are going to be taking a look at the current severe weather threat on the East Coast and what is going to be happening in the Northeast today. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell to never miss the next weather update. And today we have a special shout out to a channel called Manny the Weatherman. Definitely go check that channel out and subscribe. The link is in the description below. They have an amazing channel, and yeah, definitely go check it out and subscribe. It would definitely mean a lot to me and them. Alright, so first we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook here, and as you can see, we have a marginal risk here, which extends just about from central Louisiana all the way up the East Coast into Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And you can see this marginal risk, we could be seeing the potential for some severe weather and severe storms. It actually was upgraded a little bit. Originally, it was more like this, but it was upgraded a little bit, so it does go into New Jersey a little bit more. So we could be seeing a severe weather threat in southern New Jersey and possibly central New Jersey. We also have a marginal risk in this area here, in Kansas, Colorado, and looks like, New Mexico. We could be, I'm sorry, not New Mexico. We could be seeing a severe threat there. And we also have our just general thunderstorm risk for this area here and this area, surrounding our marginal risk here. So definitely watch out, because we definitely could be seeing a few scattered severe thunderstorms, maybe outside of this marginal risk, possibly in parts of New Jersey, Florida, maybe Long Island, Massachusetts area. You could be seeing a ton of severe weather. I have no idea what's happening right now. I am so sorry, everyone. I am not sure what's going on. But let's just try to ignore that. Anyway, if we actually head over to our tornado risk, you could see the good news is that there is less than 2% chance of tornadoes all over the United States. I would say maybe there's a 1% chance in the East Coast, in that marginal risk area. But yeah, now we also have a wind risk, and this wind risk is a 5% chance for some strong winds, and this extends mostly from Louisiana into New Jersey and Florida, all along the East Coast into Pennsylvania and New Jersey there. And we also have a hail risk that looks just about the same as this wind risk. You can see the hail risk, though, we do have a chance more southern and a more northern hail risk. So there is no longer a hail risk in North Carolina and South Carolina, which is definitely good news, but it's saying there's a higher chance of hail in parts of the Florida Panhandle, southern Mississippi and Alabama, and southeast Louisiana. And we also have that risk in southern New Jersey, very southeast Pennsylvania, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Delaware, and Virginia. You could be seeing that 5% risk also. So now if we actually head right back over to the current U.S. warnings here, you can see we're not looking at much. If we actually zoom in down here, it does look like we have a special flash flood warning. We have a flash flood warning in this area, and we also have a special marine warning right here. Those are indicating some heavy rain and severe thunderstorms. And we also have a flash flood watch in effect for that area, so definitely watch out for some flash flooding there. And we also have a few small craft advisories along the East Coast and the West Coast. On the East Coast, I believe it is from that front, and that line of storms that's been moving through could bring some dangerous marine conditions. So definitely, I don't recommend you go out there if you're a mariner. So here's the current U.S. satellite right now, and as you can see, we have that line of clouds moving. I would actually say probably from about Louisiana all the way up into North Carolina and the Northeast here. A lot more clouds in the Northeast, because we're going to be seeing a lot of severe storms moving, especially right now in Pennsylvania. We're going to be seeing severe storms in this area here. And they're actually going to extend quite far south. So we're going to see that risk extend quite far south here. Possibly into Florida, we could be seeing that severe risk. So definitely watch out if you're in Florida and all along the East Coast for some severe weather. Yeah, if we actually take a look at the current radar right now, this isn't going to be relevant later today, but we are definitely looking at a lot of heavy rain in parts of Pennsylvania right now. And if we actually jump right back down to the southeast here, you can see those flash flood and special marine warnings in effect, and a lot of heavy rainfall and thunderstorms in these areas also. We're also getting reports of flash flooding, so definitely be advised if those things are occurring in those areas. And let's quickly actually take a look at our weather models here, and we're just going to take a look at the high resolution rapid refresh, and basically going to be taking a look at what could be happening, just basically what's going to be happening on the radar in the next few hours. And let's actually zoom into U.S. region, the Northeast, actually. So you can see in the Northeast, we have this severe weather in Pennsylvania right now. And at the moment, it's actually not severe, but this will definitely be firing up and bring a line of storms into New Jersey. Now, the most severe of the storms possibly are going to be in southern New Jersey. So I don't think that's going to be way too much severe weather in northern New Jersey, but southern New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, that's where you're going to be seeing that threat. And you could see, we could be seeing some thunderstorms. This model isn't exactly sure what's going to be happening, but we could be seeing some stronger thunderstorms down here forming. So definitely have to watch out for some severe weather up there. And if we actually head back to the, what should we look at? We should look at the, where's the NAM? That's weird, oh, here it is. And here's actually the NAM model. And as you can see here, we're going to be seeing, the NAM is saying we could be seeing some severe storms moving into most likely southern New Jersey. Like I was saying, we could be seeing some thunderstorms. Maybe central New Jersey also could be getting in on this. I definitely think all of eastern Pennsylvania, you're going to be seeing some severe weather. I'm not saying severe thunderstorm warnings, but I'm saying hazardous conditions are going to be possible as you go later into today. And if we actually go down to the southeast now, southeast here, you can see we also have that lingering threat for some severe thunderstorms. You can see right now we have that big area that's going to be coming up pretty soon in just a few hours of very heavy rainfall. And it's actually going to be diminishing a bit, and we are going to be seeing some scattered severe thunderstorms moving through areas like North Carolina, Virginia, and etc. They're going to be very scattered. I think the highest threat for some severe weather is in the southeast here and the northeast here. That's where we're going to be looking for some severe weather today. And if we actually head right back to our to the northeast real quick, I would like to show everyone the Cape. And the Cape is basically the instability, and that's mainly the only thing that could be limiting us of severe weather in the northeast. Well, in the southeast, there's plenty of Cape. But this is where I really like to show. Here's the Cape model. As you can see right now, this is about what's happening right now. You can see some Cape moving into Pennsylvania, and that's how we're getting that severe weather there. And if we actually drag this, you could see that we're going to be seeing a lot of higher Cape values in southern New Jersey. That's where we're going to be seeing those very high Cape values. And those could, now I'm not saying they will, this is just one forecast model, but they could stretch into northern New Jersey. We have to be seeing what's going to be happening here. We could be seeing some Cape move a bit more north, possibly up to like around here would be the border. Just like where that marginal risk ends and starts. That is where we could be seeing some higher Cape values. Again, we are definitely still a few hours out. This is all going to be happening around 2 p.m. and later. So we have some time for these models to see exactly what's going to be air to really get a feel of what could be happening here. I just want everyone in Pennsylvania into, I would say, right through that line here in New Jersey to be on alert for some severe weather, as it is a potential. And heading back to the southeast real quick, I would like to mention, as you can see here, we have a ton of instability in the atmosphere right there, as you can see. Next few hours, a ton of instability, so instability is not a problem for severe weather. We're definitely going to be seeing some severe weather in the southeast, although the northeast, definitely a little bit harder to see. But you could even see over the water right here, we have a huge area of a very high instability. And that's what we really have to be watching out for. So yeah, all this instability definitely could be causing problems. It's going to be moving all the way up. So the question is, where will it end? Will it end down here? Will it end down, or will it end up there? Will it end here? Will it end here? That's the question of who's going to be getting the most severe weather today. And where that severe weather is going to be located. We could be seeing severe weather as low as southern New Jersey. We could be seeing it central or northern New Jersey. Or we could even see it end up kind of south, maybe in Delaware here. That's where we could be seeing it stop. So we'll have to watch out and see what's going to be happening. And yeah, that's going to wrap up today's video. Make sure you go subscribe to Manny the Weatherman. That link is in the description below. And yeah, hopefully everyone can stay safe. If you are on a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning, definitely take cover inside on the lowest floor of your home. And yeah, have a nice day, everyone.